Hi friends, welcome back to English Club. I'm Razi Phaloli. Today, I will give you a proper answer for your question. That how to learn English faster. Every one of you know about English language and it's important. English language is worldwide language. And you all are trying to learn English, but you don't know how to start. When you was child, did you study the grammar of your mother tongue? Of course not. Like that, if you want to learn English language, you have to listen. And the first step is you have to listen English language. By listening English films, by listening English videos. When you start listening English, you can't grasp anything. You have to repeat it once more and you will get something. And next time, you have to repeat it once more and you will get something. You have to watch more and more and you have to listen more and more. I'm promising you, you can grasp English by listening one more time. Can you take a decision? Before our next video within the next week, I will listen 10 English videos. If you take it as a decision, please comment on our comment box. We added some links in our descriptions. Please visit. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like. If you don't like this video, please dislike. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.